Hello friends, myself Syed Ibrahim Shah. Now we are going to discuss about role of biofertilizer in agriculture and foresting. First of all, let's know what is biofertilizer. Biofertilizers are the fertilizers that contain living microorganisms which promotes the plant growth by increasing the supply or availability of the primary nutrients required by the host plants. The biofertilizers are eco-friendly and it's an alternative for chemical fertilizers which are harmful to plants and soil. Now let's know the types of biofertilizers. There are four types of biofertilizers are present. One, nitrogen fixing biofertilizer, then phosphate solubilizing biofertilizer, potassium solubilizing biofertilizer and mycorrhizal fungi. Nitrogen fixing biofertilizer. These biofertilizer include Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Azospirillum and the cyanobacteria commonly known as blue-green algae. The nitrogen fixing biofertilizers are can fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the form that can plants observe and utilize it. Phosphate solubilizing biofertilizers. These include Bacillus and Pseudomonas species, which solubilize the bound phosphates in the soil, making them available to the plants easily. Then, potassium solubilizing biofertilizers. These biofertilizers containing bacteria that are capable of solubilizing the inorganic potassium from insoluble component and providing it from plant uptake. Mycorrhizal fungi. These fungi form symbiotic association with plant roots, improving nutrient and water uptake to the plants. Then move to the topic role of biofertilizer in agriculture. Nutrient supply and soil fertility. In this, nitrogen fixation plays a major role. Nitrogen fixation or biological nitrogen fixation. It is the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Biofertilizers such as Rhizobium, Azotobacter and Azospirillum fix the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, form the plant can observe and utilize it, reducing the need of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. Then phosphate solubilization. Microorganisms like Bacillus and Pseudomonas solubilizing the insoluble phosphate compound in the soil, making phosphorus available to plants, which is essential for root development and energy transfer to the plants. Potassium solubilization. Certain bacteria can release potassium from insoluble minerals in the soil, improving the potassium availability to the plants, which is crucial for water regulation and enzymation activity. Soil health improvement. Organic matter decomposition. In soil health improvement, organic decomposition play a major role. Biofertilizer helps decomposition of organic matter, enriching the soil with humus and improving its structure, aeration and water retention capacity of the soil. Then microbial diversity. They enhancing the microbial diversity of the soil, promoting the growth of beneficial microorganisms that can suppress soil-borne pathogens and improve the soil health. Then third one is plant growth promotion. Growth hormones production. Some biofertilizer produce growth promoting substances like indole acetic acid. It's also known as IAA, gibberellins and cytokinases, which stimulate root growth and enhancing the plant development. Then stress tolerance. Biofertilizer can improve plant tolerance to various stress including salinity and diseases by enhancing the root development and improving the water and nutrient uptake of the soil. Environmental benefits. Reduction in chemical fertilizer use. By providing the essential nutrient through the natural process, biofertilizer reduce the need of chemical fertilizers, which can lead to soil degradation, water pollution and greenhouse gas emission. Economic benefits of biofertilizer. Cost effective. Biofertilizers are often most cost effective than chemical fertilizers, especially for small and marginal farmers, as they can be produced locally or required fewer inputs. Yield improvement. The use of biofertilizer can lead to the increased crop yield and quality, resulting in higher income for the farmers. Application flexibility. It's a most important topic in the biofertilizer in agriculture. First of all, seed treatment. Seeds are treated with the biofertilizer solution to ensure that beneficial microorganisms are present at the beginning of the plant's life cycle. Then, soil application. Biofertilizers can be applied directly to the soil to enrich it with beneficial microorganisms. Foliar spray. Biofertilizer can be spread onto plants' leaves to promote the growth and improve the nutrient uptake. Role of biofertilizer in foresting. Enhancing the nutrient availability. In this topic, we are going to know nitrogen fixation, phosphate solubilization, and potassium mobilization. First of all, nitrogen fixation. Biofertilizers such as Rhizobium frankia and other nitrogen fixing bacteria can form symbiotic relationship with tree roots, converting the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia that trees can be used for the growth. Phosphate solubilization. Certain microorganisms solubilize the bound phosphate in the soil, making them available to trees, which is essential for root development and overall tree health. And potassium mobilization. Potassium solubilizing microorganisms release potassium from soil minerals, making it available to trees, which is crucial for various physiological functions of the plant. In improved soil health, we are going to see organic matter decomposition and increased microbial activity of the soil. First of all, organic matter decomposition. Biofertilizers help decompose organic matter, that improving soil structure, aeration and water holding capacity of the soil. This is particularly important in forest soils, which can be compact and nutrient depleted. Then, increased microbial activity. They enhance microbial diversity and activity in the soil, promoting a healthy soil ecosystem that supports tree growth and resist against certain diseases and pests which can harmful for the plant growth. Plant growth promotion. Growth hormone production. Some biofertilizers produce growth promoting substances like indole acetic acid, gibberellins, and cytokinases, which stimulate root growth and improve the tree establishment and development. Then, enhance stress tolerance. Biofertilizer can improve the tree tolerance to environmental stresses such as salinity and disease by enhancing root development and the nutrient uptakes. Sustainable forest management. Reduction in chemical inputs. By providing essential nutrient through natural process, biofertilizer reduce the need for chemical fertilizer and pesticides, promoting sustainable forest parasites. Then soil conversion. They help in maintaining soil structure and fertility, preventing soil erosion and degradation in forest areas. Biodiversity support. Symbiotic relationships. Biofertilizer supports the establishment of mycorrhizal fungi and other beneficial microorganisms that form symbiotic relationship with trees, enhancing the nutrient uptake and tree health. Support for native species. They help in the growth and establishment of the native tree species, contributing to conservation of biodiversity in forest ecosystem.